Hey guys, so today I'm doing a video that I have never done before because I don't really wear wigs, but I want to get into wigs a little bit more. You know, I don't think I'm gonna be dyeing my hair anymore anytime soon, but I actually miss my light hair. Like, I miss it. So therefore, I got a wig that reminds me of my light hair. It's like this beautiful ashy blonde brown color. This is gonna be like the first wig video on my channel and the first time of me actually putting on a wig. I've been following this place on Instagram that I got my wig from, and the wigs look so good and look so easy to put on, so we're gonna put it to the test. So I got this wig from RPG SHOW. This is the box it comes in. You know, I got a little bit of directions. I've been watching, you know, like they have a whole bunch of people putting on wigs and it looks so easy. So I'm excited. This is the color that I got. Isn't this like just so pretty? So, you know, to keep me from dyeing my hair again, I'm gonna do this instead. This color, it's beautiful. It's actually different than what my hair was, so I kind of like it. It's more blonde, it's more ashy. My hair used to be like coppery, you know, coppery blonde. It was pretty caramely. This is nice though. This is different. I'm excited to see me with like this color blonde hair. This one's name is Simone002 and it has a middle part. It is a 20 inch, so we got 20 inches of hair. Ooh, we got inches, okay? So this is a lace front wig. I'm just reading what's in the box because, you know, I'm not really a wig person. I don't know. It's got 200% density, and then this is a tinted transparent Swiss lace in medium brown. So you get to like pick the colors and everything of the lace so it matches you, and the medium brown matches like my skin color, so it should be good. It should be good. So let's see. Man, I don't even know where to start. Okay, anyway, let's just get started. It actually has a wig cap in here, and then they also put this flyaway tamer. Don't know what that was. Okay, so I just washed my hair because I needed to pull it in braids or something. So I'm gonna show that because I know that's a big question that would be asked is, how did you do your hair for underneath the wig? I just noticed the camera was a little dark when I pulled my hair out, and I'm wearing black, so it didn't really help. So I just braided it. But my hair is just washed. I'm gonna just put some leave-in conditioner or just some, this is Pillow Soft Curls. I'm not gonna do like the full-on braids, like straight backs, because my hair is so thick. Either way, my braids stick out from my head pretty far. So I'm gonna try something else that I think that will work better. So I'm just putting this throughout my hair because there's nothing in it. And I'm gonna try to do like braids in the back of my hair with the top slick back. I just don't want bumps on the top of my head. Like, I don't even plan for the underneath to look cute because nobody will see it. Okay, so I'm planning on slicking it back here and then starting the braid because just like my hair is so thick, it just always, I feel like it'll just show. So I'm gonna go ahead and slick this down, and then I'm gonna start the braid back here so I have half of my hair in the front, and I'm gonna go ahead and part this into 3 and then start braiding back here. Because of my hair, if it's sticking out back here, I think that's fine to me, because I feel like the hair will be hanging here so you won't see it. If I'm wrong, we will find out. Yeah, I feel like this will be better because usually these little chunky bits are up here even if I do smaller braids. Like, no matter what, my braids stick out just because my hair is so thick. I should be filming more videos now because I have a little bit more of a setup for filming wise. Before I didn't, because the room was so echoey, so I had to like figure it out. This is the only room that's not echoey, so I had to reset up stuff. So if I end up doing this wig good, should I start doing more wig videos? I think it might be a possibility. So y'all let me know at the end of this video if you liked it. I guess it all just depends on if I do good or not. Because if I don't do good, y'all gonna be like, heck no. There we go. See how thick these braids are? I don't understand. This is just half of my hair. Why? Okay, so braids are done. I'm gonna do this, just like this. And then I'm actually gonna gel down the front of my hair because you see these little flyaways. So I'm gonna get this Got to Be Glued freeze spray, right? And then I'm just gonna spray it on the front. Ooh, that's cold. And then just slick it back. Like, this stuff is good, right? But have y'all tried this? The Gorilla Snot? Man, if you ever trying to do like a slick ponytail, this stuff. That, I don't know, that tells you that it's sticky. I'm gonna go ahead and use some of this too. It'll make sure those hairs stay back. Don't put too much. Like, it literally instantly works. So do a little bit of spray and then a little bit of that. You know, I never thought I could wear wigs because my forehead's so small. But I had this girl put on a wig for me twice before. So I've worn wigs twice. I haven't put one on before myself. Like a full lace front wig. I put on like a curly wig that you don't have to do the lace or nothing like that. But she put it on me and it looked good. So I was like, oh. She did my Halloween wig. It was a pink lace front. It looked like it was coming out of my scalp, pink hair. So after that, I was like, you know what? If she did it, then I can do it. But literally, I even asked her, is my forehead too small? And she was like, no, but we can't do baby hairs. And I was like, okay. That's fine. This is the slickest I ever got my hair before. Put the wig cap on. So this one has 2 in it. I like that it's brown. So I'm gonna do this. There we go. I'm gonna do this. I don't have bobby pins, or I do have them, I just don't know where they're at. So I'm gonna hold my hair up like this and then put this on. She's struggling. So I'm gonna try to cover as much as my black hair as I can. I'm not gonna do the whole spray glue cut this because I'm not a professional yet, okay? This is supposed to be like a glueless wig, like super easy to put on. You don't need to do the glue and all of that. That's what I needed. I think we are ready. So here is the wig, okay? Apparently this lace is gonna just melt into my skin. So we're about to find out. So the inside looks like this. There's this strap, goes to the back, you can adjust it. So I don't even know. So I think I can put it on the back first. And then, maybe not. So go ahead, I have it over the back and then pull it towards the front. Boom. I'm over here like, this is gonna look good. Wow, I'm already a little shook. Wow, y'all, it's not even like cut or anything and it looks good. Okay, so then there's clips in here. I need to go ahead and clip these so it stays forward. There's 2 clips on the side. I'm gonna put them close. Okay, I got those clipped in. And then I think there's clips back here as well. Okay, it is on. It looks good already too. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this up out of the way. Now it's time to cut the lace. Something I've never done before in my life. So I'm gonna go ahead and do like the little spray gel thing. Okay, so I'm lifting it up. I'm gonna go ahead and do what people do to get a little bit of the Got to Be glued. Spray it, stick it down so like it sticks a little bit without me having to do like a glue, and then you blow dry it. That's what I've seen, so let's try it out. Okay, Now I'm gonna make sure this is low enough. Then I'm gonna get my blow dryer. And then like comb through it so the hair doesn't get like hard. Now this one, I want to make sure it's low enough. There we go. So now I'm just gonna blow dry it. That's crazy. It feels like it's down. So I could see, you could see like the wig cap a little bit right there, but I'm gonna fix that with concealer in a little bit. But now that this is down, like literally, like that made it like it's not gonna slide at all. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this and then I'll glue down this part a little bit better. But I need to cut the lace a little bit because it doesn't go behind my ear. So I'm gonna cut this. Ooh, I almost cut my ear. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and get this again. Spray right here, stick it down, and then blow dry it. Comb it out real quick so it don't get crunchy. And then blow dry again. I'm actually blow drying on hot so it dries quick, and it's actually drying super quick. Hot but on the low blow setting. Man, I haven't even cut the lace and I'm already like obsessed with this. You don't catch me wearing this every day. Look how cute. Okay, anyway. Let me go ahead and do the same ear part over here without cutting my ear. So a little snip. I really think I cut my ear on this side. Okay, so cut that part and now it can go down and my ear is free. So spray again. There we go. Now it is down. Now I'm going to cut the lace. Yeah, so I'm gonna start right here and I'm gonna cut. I think I need a closer mirror. So now you just want, I see people cutting like this, so it's not like super straight, like you just move back and forth a little bit. So good. Wow. Okay, now time for this side. Now I'm gonna get concealer on a little brush. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and put that right in the middle, just so it matches. And there we go. Now I'm just gonna brush it out and we're gonna style. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just brush it out. It came styled already, curled nice. So I might not even have to do much to it. So I went ahead and plugged in my curling iron, flat iron, and hot comb. So I always see people using hot combs. So I got a hot comb when I knew I got this wig. And I was like, oh, that looks like it helps a ton. And it actually does. It's getting all the little flyaways down, because it can actually get in there. Ooh, that's cool. You can do like the little curve up thing. I'm actually gonna use this little say goodbye to frizz hair. I've seen people use it before. You just kind of like go like this, like a little wax. So I'm gonna re-curl it, but I want it to curl this way. So I have this little curling iron I've had forever. There we go. Ooh. Okay, so here is the final look. Like, here is the end result. I think it turned out pretty darn cute. You know, I'm super glad that I'm learning how to put on wigs. I think I did a decent job. It was so easy to do. I do think I could do better, but this was my first time. I do know what I can do to make it easier and better next time, so that's good. But yo, like, this wig was so easy to put on. Like, for a first time wig person, this was so easy. I've tried wigs before, attempted like midway and then stopped because it just wasn't going right. We went to the end, we went all the way through with it, and it looks so good. Like, I don't need to be dyeing my hair no more. I just need wigs. Like, this color is beautiful. Like, this is such a pretty color. It's just ashy. It's not like, it's toned so beautiful. Like, I wish this was my natural hair color. I feel like I need to put on a different color shirt because like the black is like but if I put on like a white shirt, oh, I knew a light colored shirt would just bring the color out more, and it just looks so much better. Like, it didn't look bad with the black shirt, but with the white shirt and this hair color, like, it just, ooh. She's feeling herself. She might need to go do a little shoot. Find a cute little outfit that goes with this. Ooh, like, I actually love it. So, hope you enjoyed watching me install a wig for the first time. It actually went better than I thought it was gonna go. You know, I was a little nervous I wasn't gonna be able to post this, but I think I could post it. Ooh, she's a wig gal. She's a wig girl. Let me know if I should review wigs from other places, or if I should just get a few more wigs from this spot, different colors, and we try them all on and see which color suits me best. Comment below any other like wig idea things, videos that I could do. You wig YouTube watchers, let me know how I did or what I could do to make it better. I'm always here for help. I know I'm here to help you guys, but I'm always here for help too in the comments. Like, I'm reading. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys in my next upload. See ya.